Welcome to the Rome Tech channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more great content just like this. Merrill Edge offers a comprehensive online brokerage platform designed to empower investors of all levels. From seasoned traders to those just starting their investment journey, Merrill Edge provides a suite of tools and resources to help you achieve your financial goals. Whether you're interested in building a diversified portfolio, exploring specific investment strategies, or simply learning more about the market, Merrill Edge offers a user-friendly interface and valuable insights. Their platform features robust research tools, including market analysis, expert commentary, and educational materials. You can access real-time quotes, charts, and news updates to stay informed about market trends and make well-informed investment decisions. Merrill Edge also offers various investment options, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and options. Furthermore, they provide access to professional guidance from financial advisors who can offer personalized advice and support to help you navigate the complexities of investing. With its intuitive platform and comprehensive resources, Merrill Edge can be a valuable tool for anyone seeking to manage their investments effectively and pursue their financial aspirations. Whether you prefer self-directed investing or seek expert guidance, Merrill Edge offers flexible solutions to suit your individual needs. Explore their website at www.merrillg.com to learn more about their offerings and discover how they can help you achieve your investment goals. This robust platform provides a secure and convenient way to monitor your portfolio, execute trades, and stay informed about market conditions, all in one place. Take control of your financial future with Merrill Edge and experience the benefits of a comprehensive online brokerage platform. They strive to provide clients with the resources and support they need to succeed in today's dynamic market. Visit merrillg.com today to explore their diverse range of investment products and services and begin building your personalized investment strategy. Remember, investing involves risk, so be sure to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.